Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite versus the Samsung Galaxy A71. And guys, A71 is powered by Snapdragon 730 chipset with 8GB of RAM, while the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite is powered by Snapdragon 855 chipset with the 8GB of RAM. So very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And logo came up first, little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A71, and both phones is running on One UI 2.1 update. And you can see Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, it is super faster when it comes to booting up, while the Samsung Galaxy A71 is take a lot of time, and now it is also done. Definitely huge difference between a Snapdragon 730 versus Snapdragon 855 on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. And guess you can see that both phones give you a beautiful display, and both phones give you a full HD Super AMOLED display on both these two devices, and also we get a punch hole on both these two devices, little bit smaller on the Samsung Galaxy A71. So now let's see the app's opening speed. And guys, everything is closed up in the background, no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. We have phone dialer, first application, little bit warm up, and you can see that is super faster on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, followed by the A71. Settings, and again little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. YouTube on both phones, and let's see who is faster there. And you can see exactly the same on both phones, and the scrolling it is also feels little bit smoother on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite thanks to Snapdragon 855 chipset. Now let's see the Amazon shopping on both phones, and you can see S10 Lite it is again faster there, followed by the A71, and the scrolling it is also feels really smooth on both phones, no difference there. The Snapchat, in case S10 Lite it is definitely faster in every application. Candy Crush Saga, let's see how much a difference between a Snapdragon 855 versus a Snapdragon 730, and you can see about 1 or 2 second difference here between these two devices. Subway Surfer this time, and let's see how much a difference there. And you can see 855 Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite it is super quick. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2 on both phones, and again the flagship it is always faster than a mid-range, and you can see, and the 855 it is also based on 7nm architecture compared to 8nm architecture chipset on the Samsung Galaxy A71. Zedge application on both phones, and you can see that S10 Lite it is definitely way faster in every application than the Samsung Galaxy A71, and you can see now the A71 it is also done. Now let's see Instagram, faster on the S10 Lite. Now let's opening up the Twitter, faster on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. Mic lock, and that was exactly the same on both phones. See the calendar, and that is again definitely faster on the S10 Lite. Now let's opening up the Spotify, again a little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. And last time I'm launching the cameras on both phones, default camera app, and that is huge faster on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A71. And on the back we get a 64 megapixel main sensor. We don't get any optical image stabilization on the Samsung Galaxy A71, which is available on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Samsung internet browser on both these two devices. Wikipedia.org first website for checking out the internet browsing speed, and you can see Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite it is faster there, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A71. And the scrolling it is also feels really smooth on both phones. WWE.com it is a heavy website. Now let's see who is faster there, but I am expected that S10 Lite it is again faster there. Yes, it is huge faster than the Samsung Galaxy A71. Let's see the scrolling, but both phones give you a very smooth scrolling, I have to say, and you can see. So now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, the important part of this video. And both phones give you a 8GB of RAM, but we have a Snapdragon 855 chipset versus a mid-range Snapdragon 730 chipset on the Samsung Galaxy A71. Phone dialer, let's see settings, same result. YouTube, no refresh. Amazon shopping, let's see Snapchat, let's see Candy Crush Saga, And you can see let's see subwoofer sulfur. Both phones give you a excellent RAM management right now. Let's see the Comparsion 2, Zedge, Instagram. Now let's see the Twitter, my clock. Now let's see the calendar, and let's see Spotify. And last we're back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see. And guys, overall I have to say that the app's opening speed is definitely much faster on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite thanks to a flagship 855 chipset compared to a mid-range chipset. And the RAM management is also incredible on both these two devices. Both phones is handling all the apps in the background for a very long time, no issue whatsoever. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A71 versus the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and let me know what kind of more videos that you guys want to see regarding the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite as well as the A71. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well. And overall I have to say that the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, it is a pretty good phone in this price range, but the A71, it is a lot cheaper phone than the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.